Hey Mathies, it is Michelle here. I've got another 7th grade SBAC style question we're going to look at. This one has to do with proportional relationships. Okay, so let's take a look. It says select the table that represents a proportional relationship between x and y. Now this one's kind of nice because it wants us to select the table. So once we get the answer, we don't have to check the rest. Now we're going to check the rest anyway just to make sure our answer is correct. But in theory, we're only selecting one. Some other similar questions that the SBAC does, it wants us to choose all the tables that represent a proportional relationship. So just make sure that you read it. Okay, so let's take a look. Here we have select the relationship that's proportion. So remember, proportion is like, you oftentimes will see it as a comparison of two ratios. So we would do like 5/10 equals the same as like 20/40, because we multiply 5 by 4 to get 20. We multiply 10 by 4 to get 40. So proportional relationships are a comparison of two types of numbers, okay? So whatever we do with one, it needs to consistently happen to the other ones. The other thing you learn in 7th grade is proportional relationships need to be equal to 0, 0 to start, or else it's not proportional. So here, the first check, I've done that again, I'm sorry. The first check is to make sure that all of the points start at 0, 0. In this example, they all do, so all of them have the possibility of being proportional. So we're not going to eliminate any out just because of that. Why does that keep happening to us? I'm so sorry. All right, here we go. We're going to, hopefully this time we got it. Okay, so how do we get from 0 to 0? Well, we don't have to worry about that. Now remember, we're doing multiplication or division, typically multiplication. Okay, so we've got 1 to 3, we're going to multiply by 3. 2 to 8, well, 2 to 8 we have to multiply by 4. 3 to 9 we multiply by 3. If something's proportional, it will consistently move up the same value. So because this is 2, 8, and which is a scale factor of 4, it's not going to be this, okay? Now, if I wanted to graph it, because some kids do better with graphing, here we have our 0, 0. If I just do a quick model, 1, 3 would be here, 2, 8, 6, 7, 8 would be up here, and 3, 9 would be right here. I don't know, I think I'm double clicking and that's making me mess up, I'm sorry, would be here. So we can see right away that it wouldn't be a straight line. Okay, so that's why it's not that one. Let's look at the other one. Okay, so now here we go from 2 to 8. We multiply by 4. We figured that out before. If you don't know what to multiply by, you can divide going in reverse. 16 divided by 4, or 4 times 4 will give us 16. 6 times 4 will give us 24. So this one is the one that looks like it'll be the answer, but let's just confirm on the bottom to make sure we're fine. Here we got 5 goes to 10 2 times. 10 goes to 25, a scale factor of 2.5. So right away we know it's not going to be the last one. Okay, so it's choice B. So for proportional relationships, first of all, you got to make sure they start at 0, 0. Second of all, you have to make sure that the scale factor or the unit rate is the same. If you're if you're already doing a little bit of geometry, you can say the slope is the same. So I'll put same slope. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I will catch you later. If you have any questions, just shoot me a text or put it on YouTube. All right, ciao.